Hello and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're here for the first time. This is where I'm documenting my journey to stronger, healthy nails. Here are my nails, and it's gotten worse. More nails have broken off while others are chipping and trying to hold on for their lives. But I think it's about that time. Remember when I said this would start to look ridiculous at some point? What I typically do when some of my nails are growing while others are stunted is that I'll just trim them all down really low and just start the growth process all over. Otherwise, I feel like it just looks foolish with half short and half long nails between the two hands. But then I'll just end up feeling frustrated as my nails break off and chip one right after the other, as if they were the main characters of a Final Destination movie. Well, I'm starting to feel foolish, and I'm tired of my nails being the main character of this horror film. So today I'm starting over and cutting my nails and filing them, and well, I probably won't do an actual style because, to be honest, I'm not really inspired right now. So unless I change my mind, I'm just gonna put a clear coat on of base and top coat and leave it at that level of protection for this week. So I've been using this non-acetone nail polish remover that I got from Walmart. Ever since the oil-based nail polish remover that I got from Rooted Woman finished, I haven't been sure what to do to replace that. So I just settled for this cheaper one for now. I've seen this brand of soy-based, I think, nail polish remover, like at Target and even on Amazon. I think it's called Ella Plus Mila. Anyway, I think I'm gonna try that one. Since I've been using this one, I realized how much more I like the oil-based remover. I mean, maybe it's just a psychological thing because of branding, who knows, but I definitely feel a lot better using the other nail polish remover, the oil-based one. Like, I'm sure the oils used in the ingredients at least provide some kind of moisturizing properties as opposed to this one I have now. Although this one is acetone free, but I guess that doesn't really guarantee that the other ingredients aren't harmful to my nails. So I'm gonna clip the length off of the longer nails with the nail clipper and file them down the rest of the way. I'm just gonna go as short as I can and get all my nails to the same length. Truly, if I could have it my way, I would always have long nails. Not insanely long, but just with some decent length so I could always have a cute look. I don't know why, but whenever my nails are short, I just feel like a small child struggling to get through middle school. Not that there's anything wrong with that. It's not that I hate it. It's just cute. Like, I can't really take myself seriously if I were to walk into a business meeting or go to a formal event if my nails are short. But when my nails are long, when my nails are long, I feel so official. I feel sophisticated, like I can wear any outfit and they look good. Oh my goodness, what is wrong with me? Like, obviously it's a trivial thing in reality. Like, both short and long nails are nice. And I've actually grown to really like my nails in their short state. Like, especially without nail polish. They are really cute. And then that gives me a whole nother genre I can explore. So here's the final look of my nails. Cheers to starting over. This is not the first, and I promise you it's not gonna be the last time I restart my nail growth process. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this week's chat with me. See you next week.